Dr. Sanjay Kumar Jain, Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dr. H.S. Gour University, Central University, Sagar, President, Kawadi, Guest of Honor, Dr. Pawan Krishan, Punjabi University, Patiala, preside over the function, our worthy chairman, Sri Pravin Gargji, Chairman ISFCP, Guest of Honor, Engineer Jainis Gargji, Chairman TLF, a global school, and Secretary ISF College of Pharmacy, IQAC Coordinator Dr. Siddharth Mehan, Organizing Committee Member and Secretary Dr. Sant Kumar Verma ji, all HODs, faculty members, all these guests connecting through the YouTube mode as well as the Google Meet, all these participants. Being a director and convener of this FDP, I welcome all of you from core of my heart. I welcome you, sir, Professor Dr. Sanjay Kumar Jain ji, for providing always blessing opportunity to provide some of the quality education to the society. Sir, this FDP we are going to end online mode. Total participants in this FDP throughout the country from the 22 states, 339. So this is the big achievement of the institution. It is one of the huge of the registration from 135 colleges and universities. Sir, as we know that Pharmacy Council of India regularly doing the job role for the strengthening of the quality of education and research. Recently, QCI, Quality Council of India, in collaboration with the Pharmacy Council of India, the announcement for the UG and diploma program for the QCI as an accreditation model like this for the quality audit of the institution. Considering all these things, as well as the NEP 2020, the target of the NEP to provide the quality of education, quality as well as we have the multiple entry as well as multiple exit. Number of the other professional bodies, including the UGC, AICT, and many other professional bodies, they are highly focused on the quality of education. Purpose behind of this, IKS, this is the Indian in a very fast manner. Considering this, our team member selected the topic for this FDP, Innovation in Pharmacy Education and Application of Artificial Intelligence, Enhancing Teaching, Learning Practices. Considering all these things, this integration aim to enrich the technical education with the insight from the traditional Indian wisdom, practice as well as the philosophy, so that our student direct connect to the or associated with the Indian culture. As we know that our worthy Prime Minister always he have given one of the word, this is the zero jet, this is the zero defect and zero effect concept. It means the values as well as the holistic nature, and human being is the required to be the protect with the stress, mentally we can need to the work on it. For this purpose, one of the good thing is the over there, we need to work in a systematic, technical, scientific manner, and without using to the fail word, we have used to the credit-based system and provide a particular types of the level so that student have the lot of approach for the skill to develop during their teaching learning process. Not only this, for this purpose, for the completion or for dedication or for the distribution of the knowledge, our team member selected near about the 12 of the speaker throughout the country. I feel proud over here to announce that 3 speakers from 3 central universities, 2 speakers from the NIPERs, and remaining of the speakers, they are from the industry as well as well-established institute from throughout the India. They are highly dedicated and they provide or they have the knowledge, NEP, QCI, as well as so many more things. To speakers of this FDP, our worthy today chief guest, Professor Dr. Sanjay Kumar Jain, Department of the Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dr. H.S. Gour University, Sagar, Dr. Pravin Shende, Naipar Mohali, Dr. Gaurav Goel, Head Transdermal Research of the ZS Group, Professor Dr. Subhit Kumar Jain, he is from the Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar, Professor Dr. Pawan Krishan, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Drug Research, Punjabi University, Patiala, Dr. Rahul Shukla, Assistant Professor, Naipar, Raebareli, Dr. Vinod G. Rangari ji, he is the Department of the Pharmacy, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, this is the Central University, Bilaspur, Dr. Suresh Thareja ji, Professor and the Head, Department of the Pharmaceutical Sciences and Natural Product, Central University of Patiala, Central University of Punjab, Bathinda, Dr. Rahul Taneja, Scientist, Patent Information Center, Department of Science and Technology, Panchkula, Dr. Mr. Vijay Kumar, co-founder of the industry, Professor Dr. S.S. Pancholi, Narsi Munji School of Pharmacy and Technology and Management, Shirpur, Mr. C.S. Mujbuddin ji, founder CEO, Clinisol Research Private Limited. So these are our very dynamic, dedicated, well-known professionals in the pharmacy profession, industry as well as the academia. During these 6 days, every day our team will organize 2 to 3 lectures. Every day, one of the open session for the candidate and participants, one of the session for the discussion session, it will be the open to all of the participants. They can send their question on our YouTube channel. In the next day, our team will take off the 1 hours and try to resolve all the problem. So, sir, being this, our IQAC team regularly doing the homework for the quality of the education. Sir, in this year, we have especially included our MOU partner. So in this year, we have included the 15 institutes and universities. They are our MOU partner and our team provide to the registration of the 5 candidates from each of the institution. So this is the big achievements of our whole of the organization team, and we have the excellent of the group of the participants. They are belonging to the different institutions. I also request to all participants, you can visit regularly our YouTube, you can watch the all lectures and you can send your what types of the inquiry do you want. And I also request to each of the participants, if you have time during the feedback, you can also involve and contribute for the profession. I know that this is the online mode of the teaching learning process of the FDP. Through we are providing the knowledge. So each and everybody is required to maintain the decorum, maintain the silence. If you have any good idea, if you have any good suggestion, or if you want to explain something, you can write down on the chat box. Again, I am thankful to our management to provide this opportunity to organize such huge types of the FDP and with the collaboration of the Society of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. We are also thankful to the SPER to provide this platform and opportunity to involve or to collaborate with this FDP. So I hope that this FDP, it will be the helpful to the each and everyone and also the fruitful. I again Welcome you all. Thank you very much. Good luck. Good wishes. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Pharmacy.
Thank you so much, sir, for the detailed overview. We now look forward to a stimulating week of sessions, AI tool exploration, and insightful discussions. Now, I call upon State Dr. Kumar Verma, sir, Organizing Secretary of this FDP, for briefing last evening and briefing about our today's speakers. Please, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, respected director, sir, respected chief guest of the event. I wish to welcome all the participants on first day of the FDP on innovation in pharmacy education and application of AI, enhancing teaching learning practices. It would be great pleasure to introduce today's speaker, Professor Dr. Sanjay Jain, sir. Welcome you, sir. Dr. Sanjay Jain, sir, is Senior Professor at the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences at Dr. Gour Vishwavidyalaya, Sagar. Sir has more than 30-year experience in industry, research, and academia. Sir has active researcher with numerous publication, presentation, and contribution to textbook and book chapters. Sir has guided more than 20 PhD students and across 100 M.Pharm students. Sir has awarded with prestigious President Award and Young Scientist Award. Sir also APTI Award. Sir has research credits in colon specific drug delivery and nano carrier based drug delivery system. Welcome you, respected sir, on the platform of ISFCP. Sir, welcome.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Should I start or should I wait for some other event?
अरे वो आवाज वो बंद है वहां पर देखो म्यूट है ना एक मिनट
Can I share my
Hello.
slides?
हेलो
Can I share my slides? Am I audible?
yes sir now audible sir
Should I start?
yes sir
Wait on. ये एंटायर स्क्रीन पे नहीं आ रहा ना. विंडो विंडो में कर रहा हूँ तो विंडो में फुल स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा ना वो. या तो साइज बढ़ाऊं क्या? इसमें प्रेजेंटेशन मोड नहीं है ना ये. नहीं, F5 तो हो जाएगा है ना. F5 तो हो जाएगा मगर
स्लाइड चेंज करें सर.
हाँ जी. There are some advantage of technology and some disadvantage of technology, and this is disadvantage of technology, right? Anyway, thank you very much, Professor J.D. Gupta and Dr. Sant Kumar Verma for inviting me on this faculty development program. That is based on innovation in pharmacy education and application of artificial intelligence, enhancing teaching and learning practices. So here I'm really honored to speak with you today about one of the most transformative technology in modern healthcare, that is artificial intelligence and its growing influence on the pharmaceutical sector. So today I will take, although I am not a man of artificial intelligence, but since this is the new technology and I have the keen interest in this technology, how the artificial intelligence change our lives. So I have started reading about the artificial intelligence, and I have gathered some information and that I would like to share with you people. I'm sure that you will be benefited and you will design your research in future. Even you can design your teaching and learning process in future in an innovative way. So, well, artificially have a great impact on our healthcare system. If you see the history of the artificial intelligence, you will see that in 1941, the first electronic computer came. And when I was seeing that picture of that first electronic computer, the size of that computer was so big that it will we have to install in a very big room, about 20 feet by 20 feet room. So such a big computer. Now you can imagine the technology advancement. Now we have a system in a mobile. We have a computer in a very short device, right? And in 1956, the first term of artificial intelligence was introduced by John McCarthy. In 1960, uh, the first checkers came out, that is the playing program that was able to play with the opponents. In 1980, quality control system was introduced, and 2000, first sophisticated walking robot introduced. If you see the timeline of the historical part of especially artificial intelligence, then we know that 1956 it was introduced by John McCarthy, and first chatbot built, uh, first chatbot built capable of holding the conversation with the humans, right? That it was in 1964. In 1997, IBM has uh, uh, made one deep below supercomputer, right? And that supercomputer defeated the chess grandmaster, the Gary Kasparov, right? And it was and Deep Blue has defeated Gary Kasparov 6 times consecutively, 6 times, right? And it was the first artificial system who defeated the world champion of the chess in the chess. Okay, in 2002, the robotic vacuum cleaner was introduced by Electrolux company. I and it is a Swedish company. It is just to robotic vacuum cleaner. You have to program that vacuum cleaner, and it will clean your whole room in a short time. And in 2011, the SERI, the AI assisted system, was introduced, and it was integrated with our iPhone. In 2020, the very popular Chat GPT was introduced for automatic conversations. So every one of us, we know that the importance of Chat GPT, and our students are using this technology for framing their sentences. And now in 2023, generative artificial intelligence was introduced. It was a breakthrough year in the artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? According to the father of artificial intelligence, McGrath, he said it is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Artificially, as you know, the artificially intelligence gather the information, right? And it is processed in a short time, similar to what we do by our brain. So it is the thought process of human in learning, decision making, and solving problems. The goal of the artificial intelligence is to develop system capable of complex problem in a way similar to human logic and reasoning. So we can say it is the replica of the human brain. For and sometimes it is a fast. It processes the data faster than the human brain. And pharma innovation, if you talk about the pharma innovation, it is accelerated by using the advanced technology like artificial intelligence and machine learning. Technology like visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. These are the function of the artificial intelligence technology. In 2011, IBM estimated that entire healthcare domain has approximately 160 million GB of data. And to process 160 million billion GB data by the human brain, it was a difficult task. And IBM had generated a system, a software, uh, which was capable of analyzing these data in a short time, and that is by artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence we can say artificial intelligence capable of analyzing these data and presenting result in short time that would help in decision making, saving time, efforts, money, and save our lives. So artificial intelligence is very important uh, in a present era. From the, if you see the perspectives of artificial intelligence, it can be viewed from variety of perspectives. Like from the intelligence perspectives, AI is making machine intelligence, right, acting as we would expect people to act. In case in the perspective of the business, AI is a set of power tools and methodology to solve business problem. It is highly used to solve the business problem because it has the capability to analyze data in a short time. In case of the programming from a perspective, symbolic programming, problem solving, and searching is possible by artificial intelligence programming. So artificially, if you see in the application of artificial in the pharmaceutical field, it is the top technology transforming pharmacy practices. Additionally, as we know, design and manufacturing of drug requires several years, lengthy clinical trials, and huge cost. Generally, it takes 12 to 15 years to develop one molecule or to transfer it into the market. One molecule transfer into the market. It took 10 to 12 or 15 years and a lot of money. It requires a lot of human beings is required. But by the use of the artificial intelligence, this is totally changed. Now, in a short time, we can have a drug molecule in the market. We can have clinically approved drug molecule in the market. In the future, we will see completely different drug design, manufacturing, and clinical trial. So, what will be the goal of the artificial intelligence? Can we can we think that a machine can think and behave like a human do? Create a system that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as reasoning, learning, problem solving, decision making, creating similar intelligence in machine that we find and regard high in human. So artificial intelligence technology is shaping the future of pharmacy. If you see the types of the artificial intelligence, there are different types of the artificial intelligence. The type 1 and type 2. Under type 1, there are two artificial intelligence, weak artificial intelligence and strong artificial intelligence. Weak artificial intelligence, also known as narrow or specific artificial intelligence. It is designed to perform specific tasks or solve particular problem, such as recognizing images and translating languages. Like we have Meta. This is the alternative of the Facebook. Under this strong artificial intelligence, which is also known as artificial general intelligence, AGI, it is a theoretical concept of artificial intelligence that possesses human level intelligence, encompassing the ability to learn, reason, solve problem, and adopt a new situation, just like science fiction and chatbots. And under this type 2 artificial intelligence, so the reactive machines. Reactive machines are artificial intelligence system, AI system, that respond directly to the environment in real time without the ability to learn or remember past experience. Example of this reactive AI machines are include customer service chatbots, some autonomous vehicle, and basic gaming artificial intelligence like Deep Blue, right? And the next artificial intelligence limited memory artificial intelligence that includes self-driving cars, customer service chatbots, smart home devices, industrial robotics, and virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa. The theory of mind in artificial intelligence refer to the development of artificial intelligence system that can understand and attribute mental states to others like ballots, desires, that like beliefs, desire, intentions to predict their behavior. So, in sense, theory of mind in artificial intelligence aims to create machine that can understand and interact with the human in a more nuanced and intelligent way, paving the way for a new generation of socially intelligent artificial intelligence system. Under the self awareness artificial intelligence, it refers to the hypothetical ability of the artificial intelligence to understand its own existence, capabilities, and limitations, as well as uh, have a sense of identity and potentially even consciousness. So these are the different types of the artificial intelligence. Now, what are the different ways of the artificial intelligence? Machine learning, natural language process, that is NLP, expert system, vision, speech, planning, and robotic system. How the artificial intelligent system is acting, it is just like a biological neuron. So that will receive the impulses, like in case of the neurons, that will receive the impulses, that will receive the reactions, and it will receive by the uh, dendritic cells, soma, and nucleus in the brain. It will be processed, and then the reaction will be dissipated uh, into different part of the body. Like inputs are nodes in the artificial network, neural network. There are input nodes, hidden nodes, and hidden nodes will process the input data, and we will get the output. If you compare the programming without artificial intelligence and programming with artificial intelligence, then you will find in case of the programming without artificial intelligence, it can answer only a specific question, but in case of the AI, it can answer generic questions. But in case of the without AI, modification in the program leads to change in the structure. But in case of the programming with AI, it can absorb new modification by putting highly independent pieces of information together. So we can modify the information of the program without affecting its structure. In case of the without AI programming, modification is not quick and easy. It may lead to affect the program adversely, but programming with AI quickly and easily program modifications. If you see the application of the artificial intelligence and machine learning in pharmaceutical sciences, there are different sectors or different ways where AI can use in the healthcare system and the pharmaceutical sciences, like disease diagnosis, drug discovery, medical imaging analysis, personalized treatment plan, virtual health assistants, remote monitoring system, precise surgery, health information, predictive analytics, medical research. So these are the 10 ways here I have mentioned where the artificial intelligence and machine learning can help. See, the adaptation of the artificial intelligence in the pharmaceutical sector, it allows for learning from real-time data. So, as we know that artificial uh, intelligence can deal with the real data, identify right candidates for clinical trials, processing real-time patient feedback. We can process very fast the real-time patient feedback, integrating data exchange for partners. It will reduce the cost, increasing the productivity, and it will perform analysis faster and more accurately. It is capable of seeing patterns that even trained professional might miss. So these are the adaptation of the artificial intelligence in the pharmaceutical sector. So the artificial intelligence is very helpful in the healthcare system for the detection of the disease, diagnosis, prediction, drug discovery, personalized medicines, medical imaging, genomics, cancer research, brain diseases, mental health, speech pattern, diabetes, and radiology. So it is very helpful in the health care system. So artificial, let us consider three specific area of the healthcare within the pharmaceutical or within the pharmaceutical industry that will greatly benefited from the artificial intelligence, the precision medicine, evidence-based outcomes, clinical intelligence that will accelerate drug discovery. This will all increase the drug discovery and clinical trial research uh, with artificial intelligence will be enhanced, and drug repurposing with artificial uh, using the artificial intelligence can be done by this technology. So, if you see the use of the artificial intelligence in drug discovery, actually we know that traditionally drug discovery is expensive and lengthy affair. It is coupled with pricing pressure by both payers and consumers. So, it will unnecessarily increase the cost of the drug. Average cost of research and development is estimated to be $2.6 billion, and this take it takes about 10 to 12 years to discover one single effective molecules. And in this technology, there are number of failure. So that will, because of a large number of failure, the cost of the product is increased. Probability of the clinical success is also very low. That is only 12%. So pharmaceutical R&D suffer from a declining success rate. It will decline the success rate and strengthen pipeline. आशीष मैं बात करता हूँ मीटिंग में हूँ बात करता हूँ. So use of the artificial intelligence can solve all these problem of traditional drug discovery. In case of the drug discovery using the AI, target identification and validation is taking place in a very fast way, predicting drug interaction and toxicity that can be done by using the AI, accelerating the discovery process using machine learning models like AlphaFold and Atom Voice. If you see the applications of artificial intelligence in the pharma industry, in the pharma industry, there is a high attrition rate, and there is a problem with optimizing the innovation in the pharma products and improving the efficiency of. It is the need of the improving the efficiency of research and clinical trial, building new tools for physician, consumer, and regulator, like speed up individualized approaches for optimum therapy. So there are increased volume of the data, and it is really difficult by the conventional technology to interpret all these data in a short time, because it will take a lot of time to interpret the data if we use the conventional technology. And if you use the this artificial intelligence, that will reduce the R&D time and operational expenses, and it will meet the global regulatory requirement also. And challenges in timely processing is possible by using the artificial intelligence. So the problem of the industry can be solved by using the artificial intelligence technology. If you see the next generation of generation drug development, we are really at the cusp of the delivering huge improvement in drug discovery and development. That is a shift from the traditional model to next generation automated and intelligent model. So next generation drug development model is the coupled with the NLP and CNN and AI, machine learning and deep learning, and it is use big data analytics. So it's a combination of all these, and that will shorten the time of the drug discovery, as well as it will reduce the cost of the final product which will come in the market. So this is the advantage of the artificial intelligence technology in the pharmaceutical industry. In case of the formulation of nano formulations, nano drug delivery system, artificial intelligence have a great importance for designing the nanoparticles with optimum characteristics, like for optimizing various variables, process and the characterization parameters. It is predictive modeling for drug release, so we can predict the drug release model by using the AI, advanced tools for toxicity prediction and formulation stability. So if you see the case history, AI assisted lipid nanoparticles for messenger RNA vaccines, that was developed about a decade. Say nanorobot. The Korean research team has developed bacteriobots that can diagnose and treat cancer. It is used for the treatment of the diagnosis in. It is used for the diagnosis and treatment of the cancers. It is our simple 3 micro-size bacteria, non-pathogenic bacteria, and that is filled with the anti-cancer drug. And these modified non-toxic bacteria move inside the tissue of blood with the help of the flagella, right? With the help of these flagella, it will move inside the cells or tumor by pushing the microstructure and targeting certain drug in the cancer cells. So upon arrival of the bacteriobots in the tumor region, anti-cancer drug will be released and from the microstructure and is spread on the surface of the tumor. So in this way, we could target a specific delivery we can achieve by using these bacteriologists. And nanorobots also used for the, as you know, that we can use for the treatment of cancer. So, and these nanorobots administer medication for smart chemotherapy, target only neoplastic specific cell and tissue, prevent surrounding healthy cells from the toxicity of the chemotherapy. So targeting, if there is a targeted delivery of the new of the this anti-cancer drug, then naturally the toxicity of the drug can be reduced. So by delivering the site-specific of the anti-cancer drug, we can kill the cancer cell and repair damaged or diseased tissue at the molecular level. This is about the one film or movie that was come out in 1966. 1966, a long time back, when I was at the age of the 7 years. That at that time it was come out, and it is a Hollywood movie known as Fantastic Voyage. And this movie I have seen in 1978 when I was in first year of B Farm. When I was looking this movie, then I thought that Hollywood people are making fool to these peoples. They are making fool. Is it possible? So by looking that movie after the 2.5 hours, we came to know that it is all the bogus one, and it is not at all possible. And this, but nowadays, I realize that yes, it is possible. Now it is possible, right? Because in that movie, which was directed by Richard Fleischer and written by the Henry Cleaner, and you just imagine that these people imagine that how to make a target specific surgery in the brain. So in that movie, the one big shot of USA got an accident, and in accident he had a clot in the brain, and because of that he came into the coma, and it becomes necessary to dissolve that clot. At that time there was no device or no medicine to dissolve that clot in the brain. So a team of the surgeons decide, just sitting on the table. One scientist, the computer AI scientist, we can say, was also sitting there. He said that he is having one machine in which he can miniaturize the object. And if the whole team sit in a boat, and that boat, if they put on that machine, the machine will be miniaturized. So, and that machine is able to miniaturize that machine, and that boat will be miniaturized the boat, and that boat was injected through the intravenous route to the blood circulation, right? And the boat was circulating in the body, and it was driven by the outside by the computer, right? It is moving towards the brain, and during the passage, how this boat will struggle, or the surgical team struggle with the macrophages, how they will escape the macrophages, and they will reach to the brain, how they will drill that clot in the brain and destroy the brain, that clot in the brain, and same time after that they, because it was time bound, and in that particular time the whole boat has to come out from the body, because after certain time the boat will enlarge automatically, itself it will enlarge, and so there are chances of busting the body, whole body, when it will enlarge. So in that duration of the time, surgeon has to go to the brain, and they break the clot in the brain, and the same time all the team and boat has to come out from the brain. So shortest route they found only through the lacrima. So all the surgeon along with the boat, they came out from the lacrima, and then this lacrimal drop they put in the machine, and whole team enlarged. So this was imagination of the Richard and Harry, and how they will at the 1966 the imaging the one team can be miniaturized and can be targeted to the particular disease organ, and that can be cured properly. So at that time it was our imagination. Now it is by the invent of the artificial intelligence technology it is possible. So, in the use of the artificial intelligence in the medical device, it will enhance the diagnostic accuracy with artificial intelligence power imaging tools. Personalized medicine through wearable device possible. Real-time monitoring and predicting analytics is there. So artificial medical device like AI-enabled ECG device, smart insulin pump for delivery of the insulin. In the clinical trials, as we discussed that the use of artificial intelligence in clinical trials is very useful. Patient recruitment and attention optimization, virtual clinical trial, AI-powered monitoring, predicting outcomes and improving trial efficiency, and so it will benefit the cost reduction and faster approval, and faster invention of the new molecule and their clinical experimentation. In case of the pharmacovigilance, again AI is having very great importance. It automated adverse event detection and reporting. Real-time surveillance of the drug safety is possible. So NLP in analyzing clinical reports is very helpful. And if you see the tools, sentiment analysis algorithm is the tools for pharmacovigilance. In pharmacogenomics, you will find that in the next 15 years or 20 years, right, you will have a biochip that you will place under the skin, and that will monitor your all genomic sequences or everything genomic coding that it will sense, right, and analyze it, and you will get information when you will get disease and what will be the most appropriate drug for the treatment of that disease which will be coming. So futuric problem that will be occurring, that can be sensed by the artificial intelligence and biological chip. So it is a by using artificial intelligence study of how an individual genetic inheritance affect the body response to the drug, that can be measured. So for deciding the right drug in the right dose to the right patient in the right time is possible by artificial intelligence. Genetic profiling of the patient in cards. You will have a card like ATM card. You just put your card in that machine. It will read all the genetic profiling of your what is going on in your body. You will come to know. So it is a advanced. You will get advanced knowledge of the disease. So it can be, we can get cure immediately, a proper cure. Say in case of the use of artificial intelligence in the surgery, use of robots to deliver treatment, robotic surgery. There are very fine surgery is taking place by the robotic surgery by the robots. Yeah. So doctors will be sitting outside the operation theater, and through the use of the computer and the proper programming, they will dissect the body, and they will treat the patient. Say in case of the brain biopsy, transurethral prostate surgery, bariatric surgery, hip replacement, the use of the robotic robots is very helpful. Say in case of the there is a very uh, what we say one of my student mother-in-law, she was suffering with the tumor, and the tumor was such an advanced stage that the isolation of that tumor was not possible by conventional surgery, and it was important to isolate that tumor from the body. So uh, there were at about say 7, 8 years back, there was a technique. There is a techniques in the China. The surgeon used micro knives. So use of the micro knives, they were able to dissect. They were able to remove that tumor. So, because in India, everyone has raised their hand that they will not, it is not possible in India to remove that tumor. If they remove tumor, that will affect the vital organs because it was touching the vital organs. But Chinese surgeons took this challenge, and they said that they will remove that tumor using the micro knives. So by using the micro knives and robotic system, they remove it properly, and now the patient is live and living comfortably. So this is a bariatric surgery using the robots, different knives, and all this programming, no use of the human beings. The program is done by the surgeon, bariatric surgeon. Say another use of the artificial intelligence is in 3D printing technology. A 3D printing technology, also known as additive manufacturing, began in 1980s. It is a digital manufacturing process that creates 3D object by fusing or depositing materials such as variety of polymer, metals, ceramics in successive layer laid down under the computer control. So it is a very useful technology for personalized medication. 3D printing technology has caught the attention of medical device industry, pharmaceutical industry due to its application on various platforms in healthcare industry. 3D printing technology promises a future of the drug and medicine printed on demand, personalized with customized doses. It is possible with the 3D printing machine. The potential of 3D printing is about being able to deliver what you want and how much and when you want. That this technology will definitely help doctors, pharmacists to provide tailor-made medicine for each patient. There are techniques in 3D printing, thermal inkjet printing, fuse deposit modeling, extrusion 3D printing, 3D printer, hot melt extrusion, powder bed 3D printing, stereolithographic 3D printing. So these are the different techniques for 3D printings. Anyone can be used for making the medical device or some doses form, solid doses form. These are the advantages of 3D printing drug delivery. Printed drug delivery, high drug loading ability when compared to the conventional doses form, accurate and precise dose of potent drug, which are administered at a small dose, reduce cost of the product due to lesser material wastage, suitable drug delivery for difficult to formulate active ingredient like poor water soluble drug, narrow therapeutic window as well as increased complexity. Medication can be tailored to a patient in a particular based on genetic variation, ethnic differences, age, gender, and environment. In case of multiple drug therapy, with the multiple dosing regimen, treatment can be customized to improve patient adherence as immediate and control these layer can be incorporated due to flexible design and manufacturing of this dosage form. To uh, it helps in choosing the best therapeutic regimen for an individual. Avoid batch to batch variation and 3D printing occupy minimal space and are affordable. Manufacture of a small batch is feasible. The process can be completed in a single run. On demand manufacturing is occur, easy to use, no skilled person needed because you have to just every process, every stage will be taken up by the computer. These are the different steps involved: 3D designing, conversion of the design to a machine. First, you will require to design, then it will be converted to the machine readable matter by the scanner. Raw material will be processed, printing will be taking place, and last removal of the removal and post processing process where the printed product can be uh, prepared by drying, sintering, polishing, and other post processing steps. So, well, this is as you know, that by the invent of the artificial intelligence, the manpower required for the manufacturing of the any drug or any product will be can be reduced. So it was thought that the it will reduce the job opportunity, and according to PwC in UK in 2017 to 2037. It is sad that the 7 million billion job will be replaced by the AI. But same time, it is said that 7.2 billion job will be created. Of course, the mode of the job will be different because here you should have knowledge of the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, and those people who are having the knowledge of AI, ML, and DL, they they will not face any problem getting the job because a lot of job will be coming up uh, in near future or in the era of the artificial intelligence. This is the some of the pharma company adopted artificial intelligence technology to predict. Novartis used AI to predict steady risk and their drivers to enable preventive maintenance and remediation of the drug. Mark used AI to generate predictive models to design novel small molecular leads. GSK used AI to improve drug discovery process. These are the challenges of the AI. That is, technology are oversold to the marketplace. It is a challenge on immature technologies. Nowadays, it is immature technology, scarcity of the expertise, because everyone is not aware about the artificial intelligence. So, scarcity of expertise, and because of this, the uses of the AI is very minimum. Managers don't understand cognitive technologies and its working technologies. So, this is the main problem with the AI. Technology and expertise are too expensive, and because of there are limited expertise, so naturally they are too expensive to hire them. It is hard to integrate cognitive project with existing process and system. There are some adaptation of the AI, recent adaptation of the AI, right? Say. Novartis, IBM, Watson, World's Genomics, Bayer and Merck, and Tencent Holdings. These are the different companies who adopted AI in their process, industrial process. Some of the there are some of the startups use the AI in aggregation and synthesis information. This is the company. Similarly, understanding the disease mechanism. The two companies has used artificial intelligence technology, and generating novel drug candidates. There are three companies they have used the uh, this technology for generating the novel drug candidate. If you see the advantage of there are a lot of number of advantages of artificial intelligence. It is a faster process, safe and effective, and same time it is economical also, and it has high predictive value. The risk, if we see the risk of artificial intelligence, it is a high cost, no replicating humans, lesser job, lack of personal connections, addiction, efficient decision making. हम भूल जाएंगे कुछ समय बाद decision लेना, because of every decision will be taken by the artificial intelligence or intelligent machine. These are the drawback. It is a algorithm wise. You have to program it. You have to give them steps how to process it, right? So, and there are ethical issues also. ऐसा है ना कि say if a AI driven car is on the road, and if that car made any accident, then who will be on fault? कौन fault पे होगा? Right? किसको हम behind the bar करेंगे? So it is a difficult one. There are some ethical issues on which we have to think over. So the gray zone interpretation, validation is required, right? There are some technical issues, and there are a lot of investment is required. Expertise are limited. So next will be therapy by nanorobots. That is the future of the healthcare, to detect, repair, target damage, and repair targeted damage infections in the body. So it is a biomedical instrument. Nanosurgery by the nanorobots is possible in future. So in conclusion, we can say, as can be seen, the recent development in artificial intelligence have resulted in several technologies that have an application in pharmaceutical product development. In an era of escalating competition, the winner will be those that can seize and exploit this technology as a strategic weapon. The challenge is to translate opportunity into action, because where application have proved successful, there is an opportunity for increasing productivity as well as improving consistency and quality. So AI is one of the most important things humanity is working on. It is more profound that electricity of fire. We have learned to harness fire for the benefit of the humanity, but we had to overcome its downstairs too. AI is really important, but we have to be concerned about it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Over to San, Dr. Sant Burma.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So, director sir is there. Firstly, I would like to take the comments from director sir. Okay. Sir, firstly, I would be thankful, and in fact, ISFCP family is thankful to you for your time and your presence. Uh, so, I would like to brief. सर वैसे तो मैं इतने बड़े लेक्चर को ब्रीफ नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन ट्राई करूंगा.
It's okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir has nicely explained the history and goals of AI, and AI shaping the pharma fields, types of AI, drug repurposing using AI in drug discovery, next generation drug development using AI in nano formulation, and sir has covered number of nice examples like nano robot for the treatment of cancer and nano robot in the future therapy. Sir has nicely given some examples of Hollywood movies using surgery. Surgery. They were doing surgery using artificial intelligence. In fact, some nano robots. AI. Sir has nicely given the examples of medical devices, pharmacovigilance, surgery involving micro robots and 3D printings. And sir also explained the jobs challenges and other current challenges. Uh, Including risk. And sir has covered the recent adaptations of AI by different pharma companies and other giants. Sir has also explained the advantage of AI and ethical issues which comes in the AI. So, sir, it was a knowledgeable lecture. I think our audience will be benefited from this lecture. So, I would like to call director sir for the final comment. Sir. डायरेक्टर सर को फोन कर लूँ. So, sir, I think sir is busy in some aspects. So,
It
sir,
is okay, fine.
okay, sir. Sir, thank you for your valuable time on our.
Now he has come. Now he has
Yes,
come.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
GD, we were waiting for you. ये मेरे को छोड़ नहीं रहे थे जब तक कि आप आ नहीं जाते.
सर प्लीज अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. सर प्लीज अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. सर डायरेक्टर सर प्लीज अनम्यूट कर लीजिए.
सो थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. ये आपकी ब्लेसिंग है सर, और स्नेह है इतना कि हम कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं, तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच for you can accept our invitation, and always your blessing related to the profession as well as the overall growth. Sir, so as we already we are the aware about the artificial intelligence and we are the waiting the new syllabus of the Pharmacy Council of India. बस थोड़ा सा एक फियर फैक्टर यही होता है कि जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है कि जितने भी टीचर्स हैं हम लोग उस लेवल पर ट्रेनिंग का एक प्रोसेस हो, क्योंकि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एक मैसेज बेस्ड नहीं हो सकती, एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड है। तो उसके लिए सर होमवर्क कर रहे हैं। फॉर दिस पर्पज वी आर आल्सो इंटरेस्टेड टू डेवलप वन ऑफ द सेल इन द इंस्टीट्यूट सर। और उसके लिए हमारा है कि अदर देन फार्मा पीपल्स को सर हम अपॉइंट करना चाहते हैं, ताकि कम से कम 1-2 साल हम लोग भी ट्यून हो सके। क्योंकि हम डायरेक्टली जैसे हमारे पास रोपड़ आईआईटी है सर, तो उनसे भी हम लोग टाई अप की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि कहीं कोई हमारे दिमाग में सॉफ्टवेयर कोई एप्लीकेशन आती है तो वो सिर्फ कागज पे रह जाती है सर। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सर ये बताते हुए डॉक्टर संत कुमार वर्मा जी सर आईपीआर भी देख रहे हैं एंड फर्स्ट टाइम आईएसएफ कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मेसी पब्लिश सर 37 पेटेंट इन अ ईयर and out of 37 we have received sir 4 granted of the patent. So this is the one of the achievements of the team. तो इस डायरेक्शन में काम कर रहे हैं। अनदर डायरेक्शन सर डॉक्टर सिद्धार्थ मेहन जी भी हैं सर। तो अभी हमें सर एक अमेरिका से प्रोजेक्ट मिला था, उसको सिद्धार्थ जी देख रहे थे और उनकी टीम 27 लाख मिला था। तो इन्होंने अपना यहाँ स्टडी करने के बाद एक लगभग 16-17 डॉक्टरों की टीम ने दे डिड द कोलैबोरेटिव वर्क और एल्जाइमर डिजीज पर सर एक प्रोडक्ट बाहर आया है। तो एक बड़ा डेवलपमेंट है। तो फार्माकोलॉजी हमारे यहाँ लगभग 10 से ज़्यादा डिजाइन पेटेंट है सर एंड आवर टीम मेंबर दे ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द कॉमर्शलाइजेशन। तो आपका सर आशीर्वाद चाहिए। एंड जो इस एफडीपी का मेन मोटो यही था कि जब हम फिजिकली हम करते हैं तो लगभग एक स्ट्रेस लेवल यही रहता है, कौन आ रहा कौन जा रहा। मतलब 50% लोगों को बस क्लास में बिठाना इटसेल्फ का। बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, मैं यूट्यूब पर देख रहा था सर मोर देन 250 की रेंज आई है सर एक बार, लगभग इतने लोग। तो एक बड़ा अच्छा पीक बना के लोग कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं। अच्छा मान लीजिए आज मैं थोड़ा सा एडमिशन में इन्वॉल्व था तो मैं आपका लेक्चर पूरा सुन रहा था, तो एट ए टाइम हम सुन भी रहे हैं और दूसरा काम को होल्ड कर पा रहे हैं। ये ब्यूटी और स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ दी ऑनलाइन मोड है। सो
आप भी तो यू आर एनोदर रोबोट्स। मल्टीपल टास्क, यू कैन परफॉर्म मल्टीपल टास्क ना इन ए टाइम।
बस सर एक प्रयास करते हैं और चूंकि सभी यंग टीम है हमारी तो सभी लोगों का डेडिकेशन बड़ा जबरदस्त है।
गुप्ता जी यू हैव वेरी गुड टीम है ना, और सिंस आई एम लिंक सिंस लॉन्ग टाइम विद द ISF, so I know the progress, I know the working culture of the ISF. Really it is very good, and because of the working culture, because you have given such a congenial an atmosphere for the working, so that so many patents are coming up, all right, and or we can say have come up, all right. So it is all because of the hard work of the you and your team, right? So my hearty congratulations to all the team members, especially you who are organizing this faculty development program. I know you are organizing so many programs like this, बहुत सारी स्पीकर्स को आप बुलाते हैं, उनके इंटरेक्शन कराते हैं, तो इट इज़ गुड थिंग, राइट, सो दैट आवर member of the pharma fraternity can be benefited, because आपने इनको YouTube पर डाला है तो नेचुरली बहुत सारे लोग इससे जुड़ जाते हैं। फिजिकल मोड में एक प्रॉब्लम होती है कि लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ पीपल विल बी बेनिफिटेड ओनली हु आर अटेंडेंट फिजिकली। ऑनलाइन मोड में ऐसा होता है कि कंट्री और कंट्री के बाहर कोई भी जुड़ सकता है, दे कैन इंटरेक्ट, राइट। तो दिस इज गुड वे, बट आई डोंट नो, मैं चूँकि पुराना टेक्नोलॉजी वाला हूँ, EI पे जरूर लेक्चर दे रहा था, बट मेरे को जो जब तक ऑडियंस दिखे नहीं तब मेरा मूड ही नहीं बनता है
जी
है
जी
ना?
जी, नेचुरल है, नेचुरल है
तो
सर।
कहते हैं ना कि जो लिंक करना है इसमें तो मोनोटोनस हो जाता है कि समटाइम्स हम वी स्टार्ट रीडिंग आवर स्लाइड्स, है ना?
जी,
उसमें जब हम ऑडियंस को फेस करते हैं, उनके चेहरे देखते हैं, उनका रिस्पांस देखते हैं, तो हमारे पास दिमाग में नए नए कंसेप्ट आते हैं, हम उनको
और
कोरिलेट
जोश भी
करते
आता है सर, एनर्जी फुल हो जाती है।
हैं, फिर एनर्जी एनर्जी उन्हीं से मिलती है। तो इस कारण से हमारा लेक्चर जो होता है वो डिफरेंट होता है फिजिकल मोड में एज कम्पेयर टू द ऑनलाइन मोड है। ऑन इन ऑनलाइन मोड इट बिकम्स मोनोटोनस, वन वे होता है, जो स्लाइड में है वो हमने पढ़ दिया, हो गया, तो
जी
फिनिश। Anyway, but it is good agar if you want to decipher this knowledge to number of peoples, right, from the different corners of the country and globe. So this is only way, and this is one of the best ways we can say by which we can decipher our knowledge of the experts.
सो थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। और जैसे भी एक टाइम हम ICS 26 अक्टूबर में सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, आपको पता ही है, तो उसमें तो आपका 100 से भी प्लस कंट्रीब्यूशन चाहिए, नीड द एटलीस्ट 10 days, बिकॉज आई होप दैट, क्योंकि ये हमारे लिए एक बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है एंड फॉर दिस पर्पज नीड अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क। सर पिछले दिनों प्रोफेसर कटारे सर से भी बातचीत हुई है एंड आई होप दैट कि हम कुछ ना कुछ स्टार्टअप पे भी होमवर्क कर सकेंगे।
बिल्कुल।
तो उस तरफ भी सर डायरेक्शन जा रहे हैं। और कभी भी सर कहीं भी आप इंडस्ट्री से कनेक्ट करना चाहें इंस्टीट्यूट को, तो आवर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द केमिस्ट्री, फार्मास्यूटिक्स, फार्माकोलॉजी एंड फार्माकोग्नोसी इक्विवेलेंटली सर काम कर रहे हैं।
करते
और
हैं,
कभी
आई
भी
नो।
कोई डोजेस फॉर्म डिजाइन, टेस्टिंग और सिंथेसिस का काम होता है, ऑलवेज वेलकम सर। सो वी प्रोवाइड द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ऑल पीपल्स फॉर द सेल लाइन कल्चर फैसिलिटीज वी हैव। सर इस साल बड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेल लाइन कल्चर को भी हमने डेवलप कर दिया है।
अरे
तो
वाह, क्या बात।
जो लोग इस प्लेटफॉर्म से सुन रहे हैं, तो मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि रिसर्च में आपको मैनिपुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है। नंबर ऑफ दी फैसिलिटीज हैं और बहुत सस्ते दामों में है, तो उसका उपयोग करें, पेपरों में अच्छे डेटा डालें, सेल्फ को ग्रो करें। और फॉरगेट इट कि आप किसी इंस्टीट्यूट से अगर आप हेल्प ले रहे हैं, मैं तो कहता हूँ विदेश के लोग तो काम ही ये करते हैं, दे टेक द हेल्प टू द अदर इंस्टीट्यूट, लेकिन उस टेक्नोलॉजी को सीखते जरूर है। तो जो लोग भी इस प्लेटफॉर्म के जरिए सुने, तो हमारी स्फाल लैब, जिसमें हम की लगभग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग गिवन ऑन द आवर यूट्यूब चैनल पर डला है, हमारी वेबसाइट पर डला हुआ है। और जो डॉक्टर संजय जैन सर से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं या बातचीत हो, तो इस इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में वो जीरो लेवल से बता सकते हैं कि किस चीज को हम कितना अच्छा कर सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच सर फॉर प्रोवाइड दिस
थैंक यू।
अपॉर्चुनिटी टू इंटरेक्ट यू। और आपको देख करके सर हम में कई गुना एनर्जी आ जाती है। ठीक है, आज भी ऑलवेज यू आर और नंबर ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म पर देखते हैं, ऑलवेज फुल्ली एक्टिव। तो ये जो
नहीं,
सागर से जो
हमारा
एजुकेशन,
हमारा हमारा एनर्जी का लेवल आप ही लोग हैं। आप लोग को
थैंक
देख
यू,
के ही एनर्जी आती है। ऐसे ही
जी
आप लोग हंसते रहें, ऐसे ही कार्यक्रम करते रहें, है ना?
बिल्कुल,
तो
जी
हम लोग जैसे लोग हैं वो एक्टिव बने रहें।
जी,
थैंक यू वेरी मच। हाँ,
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू सर, थैंक्स टू
कैन आई
ऑल।
लीव नाउ?
यस सर, यस सर,
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू ऑल।